Buying an NFT token and participating in auctions. Hello dear users of the Relictum Innovation Ecosystem. In this video, we will show you how to buy an NFT token or participate in an auction on the Relictum NFT marketplace. First, go to the Relictum NFT market website, then log in or register if you do not have an account. If you have previously registered on the Relictum Lab website, you can enter using your data from there. Enter your username and password, confirm CAPTCHA, click Next. After authorization, click Buy NFT. After that, you will be redirected to the trading page in the Tokens section. There you can find the token you like, as well as check all tokens for each of the categories presented. Select any NFT token you like. Click Buy if the token you're interested in is sold at a fixed price, or click the Place Bid button if the token you're interested in is put up for auction. Let's consider both options. Buying at a fixed price. After clicking the Buy button, a payment window will open. There are two possible options: buying directly from the balance of your personal account or buying from a node. Let's consider both options. Purchase from a balance of your personal account. Specify the address of the wallet to which you receive this token after purchase and click the Buy button. Buying a token from a node. Enter your wallet address, click the Buy button. Open your node. On the main screen in the My DeFi section, find the Our Payments button. An invoice from Relictum Lab will appear in the Payments section. Be sure to check the transaction number in the node and the transaction number in the application on the NFT website. They must match. Pay this invoice by clicking on the Pay button. After purchasing NFT, go to the My Tokens section and the purchased token will be displayed in the Purchased tab. Go to the node. In the NFT section, in the On Marketplace tab, you will also see the purchased token. That's it! Your token has been successfully purchased and received. Participation in the auction. A payment window will open after clicking the Place a Bet button. Select a payment option for your bet. There are two available options: a bid directly from the balance of your personal account or a bid from a node. We also consider them both. Bid from the balance of your personal account. Specify the amount of the bid you want to make. Specify the address of the wallet to which you will receive this token in case your bid wins. Click the Make Bid button. Bid from a node. Specify the amount of the bid you want to make. Specify the address of the wallet to which this token will be sent to you if your bid turns out to be a winning one, as well as an invoice for payment of the bid will be sent to this address. Click the Make Bid button. Open your node. On the main screen in the My DeFi section, find the Our Payments button. An invoice from Relictum Lab will appear in the Payments section. Be sure to check the transaction number in the node and the transaction number in the application on the NFT website. They must match. Pay this invoice by clicking the Pay button. If your bid wins, the token will be sent to you by the node as well as to the Purchased section. If your bid is not a winning one, it will be returned to the balance in your personal account. Note: the bid will be returned to the balance in your personal account even if you made it from a node.